everybody, it's Adele. How you doing? I'm still on the road, but I wanted to get on here real quick and complete my 7th day of the 7 days of Chalkmas. Right now I'm just looking for something on my phone real quick. I just want to give a little chance for people to hop on. If you're there, make sure you drop a comment or let me know you're there. So today I'm going to be working on, I believe this might be a retired transfer. Pretty sure it is. We have one similar, but I don't think it's the same. But I'm going to be doing Home Sweet Home. It was an extremely popular transfer when it was, hey Lene, when it was originally out. So, anyway, it's one that I like doing, so I figured I'd do it tonight. So I'm just making sure everything's working okay, sounds okay. And hopefully that will work. So I've already picked the colors because I have realized in the last few years that I'm really a blue fan, and I didn't realize that till recently, but it seems like I like to use a lot of blues. So we're going to be using a blue, a gray, and then another gray. Turn your sound up, disconnect your Bluetooth, go off the page and then come back on the page, Danielle. Those are the things that I usually try when people are having issues. Usually one of those things. Can everybody else hear me? So I'm going to be using this gray. I think this is one I made myself just looking at it here. But I'm going to be stirring it with the multi-tool, which is one of my favorite tools that Chalk Couture has. And I just want to make sure I get the consistency of like a yogurt. And can everybody hear me? Maybe they're not listening, maybe they're just watching. So I've just had a very busy last, so we did 3.5 days of training up in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and it was gorgeous and beautiful and wonderful, and just really enjoyed my time there, getting to know how to, oh goodness, okay, well let me try something. Could be problems. Try turning up my sound, maybe that's the problem. Okay. Could be problems. No, not that one. Maybe it's on the other end. I'm able to hear it on my other phone. So I'm able to hear it on my other phone. So it's got to be something with your phone. So Caitlin, can you hear me? I'm able to hear it on my other phone. So it's got to be something with your phone. Caitlin has. Can you hear me? Okay, so Caitlin has sound. So it's something you guys are doing wrong. Not wrong, but you may need to log out of Facebook, log back in, something like that, in order to get back on. So let's see. Let me just make sure I like the way that looks. It's a little. We're good. I'm gonna have to stand up to see this. Yep, Caitlin can hear me, so you guys might have to log back off and then come back on again. Or check your Bluetooth out. Or some of your settings. One of the other tools I really like is the angled squeegee. And what we use this for is to make sure there's no air bubbles. Oh, there's like a piece of dirt on that one. Let me get it out. Grain of sand or something. I have to fill it. There it is. Not sure what that was. I like to fill with my hands too. Sometimes you can't tell when you're... Oh, I see. Down there. Okay, that's on the outside. Okay. Just gonna keep moving through this. And it still looks like it's high on one side and low on the other, so I'm gonna try one more time. Alrighty. I would appreciate if you could, if you're interested, if you'd like to join my VIP page where I offer specials and deals to people that are not designers. Designers already get a very good discount because they are able to get wholesale. Hey Brenda. So right now I'm just making sure there's no air bubbles. I do like the angled squeegee, but I also like the multi-purpose tool. It would be hard for me to pick a tool that would be my favorite. But I do like the multi-purpose tool. So I'm just making sure there's no air bubbles. Hopefully it's exactly where I want it now that I've... it's not. Looks good to me. So it has a lot of air bubbles. Okay, we're starting over on placement. I'm going to do it this way. Sorry, it'll be turned wrong for you guys. But I can visualize it better here. So let's see. Try this again. Let me look at it first. Okay, now we're finally right. So I'm gonna go sideways on this. I can hear the popping. So that's what makes it it kind of lets you know that you did have a bubble there and that you're getting rid of it. And this is a very sticky transfer. So there's a little bit of a blob right there. It's been used quite a bit, as you can see. Now I'm just trying to feel if there's anything that I should try to... Oh yes, I love the 4-inch handled squeegee. I love that one. Is that your favorite, Brenda? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm using Peacock for the 2 ends, and then I'm going to use the homemade gray for the middle. And I'm just stirring. Sorry, I should have had that on screen. I'm just stirring it up, making sure it's a yogurt consistency, and we're there now. Alrighty. So it was really stormy today, and well, not stormy. It was raining pretty good in Santa Fe before we left. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scoop some paste over onto the screen, and I'm gonna work towards me, which is actually easier for me and easier for you to see what I'm doing. So hope you like it. Hey Eve, how you doing? Thanks for joining me. Like I said, if you're catching the replay, just let me know by putting #replay. Hey Dory, how are you, my friend? And Josie, awesome. Okay, so we're just gonna squeegee it on. And like I said, this is our Peacock, which is now I believe retired, but it's one of my favorite colors. I happen to have it in my travel bag, so that's the color I chose because I like it a lot. I just want to test right here because it looks like this is part of it. A little hard to see because maybe I got it. Okay, one more time and then we're going to pull it up. There we go. We're just going to let that dry a little bit. Actually, I'm not going to let it dry. I'm just going to just tilt it like, oh, just lay it back down. It should be fine. So how's everybody doing? Let's see. Get this gray out. Gray stirred up and ready. That one's ready too. Just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna dab it where I'm gonna be using the squeegee. How's Josie doing? How's Texas? Or are you in Florida right now? I think you might be in Florida. At a football game? For your son or grandson? Not sure. I don't know, I'm just asking. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're gonna take the squeegee and we are just gonna squeegee it across. I see a spot that may have a bubble, but that's okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna squeegee the excess off, put it back in the jar. There's very little waste in Chalk Couture products, which is amazing. Now I'm going to pull it up. There we go. Next we're going to go to the other home, and we are going to, oops, I was trying to hold it instead of, because I'm traveling, the blow dryer's in the bathroom, I just didn't feel like getting it out. I should have. Okay, I'm just making sure the design is covered real well. And then I'm going to pull it. So there you are. This is easy to learn and fun to do. That's what I love about Chalk Couture. That's my little tagline that I like to say. Super easy to learn, super fun to do. You can do it with your kids, with your grandkids. You can just do basically anything with this product, which is why I love it so much. And that's it for me. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If you'd like to join my VIP page, please type in VIP. If you're interested in joining my team, drop a little team in there and I will get back to you as soon as I see the message. Okay? Thank you all. Thanks for joining. I know a lot of people are home today, so it's a good day to do a live, and I just got to my room and decided to get on it. So, thanks again, and we will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.